This is where my kitchen starts. Yeah, this is my scallion. And I'll pick a piece of thyme there. Probably just this is all I need. And you can see I have a nice little crop of rosemary here. I don't like to use too much. That's enough. Yeah, what I'm doing now is normal within my family. It's like nothing strange. I've been doing it for years. Years. My dad did it. His dad did it. Yeah, I come from a family of farmers. Yep. It's nice to go out and buy what you haven't got, but you've got it. You can grow it. You got the means. You got the seed. Grow it. Don't throw away your seeds, man. Just hold them, put them in the ground. The likes of this. Everything, you can show the little garden. Everything you can see here can be eaten. Everything. Everything has its season. Yep, this is where the kitchen starts. It doesn't necessarily start inside the kitchen. My kitchen starts in the garden. A lot of my produce, weather permitting, is grown here. My thyme, my rose, and my seasoning, it's all from the garden. So every time I cook, it will taste different. Not a regimented taste which has been authorised by leading bodies. This is authorised by nature. You love that? Yeah, mummy like it too. I'll be using this later with seeds and another meal. Throw nothing away. Yes, this adds a nice little sort of heat. Yeah, man, with a blunt knife does the job. Needs to keep my fingers not that well skilled. Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be steaming black-eyed peas and pumpkin. And by the way, welcome to John's kitchen. Firstly, I'm going to put this much olive oil, no, that's coconut oil, into the pot. I'm going to slice my onions. I like to mix my onions up. I'm not always using the red onion. It's nice to have a variety of a rainbow colour of food to get many different types of nutrition. Okay, that's there, doing its thing. The meal will take approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes, including preparation. As you know, the black-eyed beans will take 45 minutes to prepare. And now I'm going to grate some turmeric, which of course is a beautiful healer for the body. It has many values, including anti-inflammatory. I'm using 2 thumbs. Yeah, I prefer to use the grater. For me, it's a lot easier. And the same the garlic. I'll be using 3 bulbs of garlic. To get full information, you can visit johnsfoodanddrink.com. I'll be writing down a full description of what I'm doing here today. Here goes my 3rd garlic. That's going in. Okay. This This scallion what I'm using here, it's come fresh out of my garden, no longer than 15 minutes ago ish. Let's go straight in. Throw in thyme. I don't like to overkill my food with rosemary as much as I like it. And I'm also scraping this bit of the Scotch bonnet. I'm using half the Scotch bonnet, by the way. Right, as you can see, well, I'm going to be using no water in this dish because the fluid from the cucumber, which I'm going to put in a minute, will actually cook this pumpkin here. I'm not doing too bad with my blunt knife. Right. Okay, here you go. If you can cut these up into nice little small cubes, because it would help it to cook quite quickly. Yeah, for you guys who don't like to stay inside the kitchen, even though I think good food takes time. Alright, give it time, give it now, let it grow. Alright. Alright, I think I'm actually working quite fast here. This is fast for me. Alright, here we go. This is my record time. Right, this is a meal which you can have quite nice. You can if you can boil it with have some hard food with it, which would be great. Yam, banana, breadfruit, anything nice. This is what's going to cook the pumpkin. The fluid from this will steam down, and in half an hour you will have pumpkin. Oh, you will see I will not be adding any water. None at all. Okay, see now. That's done. I've pre-cooked my beans. So enough water. I've been brought upon drinking pot water, so this is not rubbish. I'm going to drink it too. Get me a look at iron. This will go straight into the pot and cook there. Just going to get myself some pimento seeds, as I like my little pimento. Well, in fact, the pimento berry, which is mainly grown in Jamaica. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the lid on and let it steam. Next time you see it, it will be cooked. Okay. Right, this is the European twist. I actually forgot to put the seasoning first, but I'll put it in last. I'm just having a bit of fun. I love my seasoning. As you can see, I seasoned before. Just a little bit more. And Thomas, would you like to show the folks the results? This is half an hour later. See? Cooked pumpkin. Beautifully cooked. Steamed pumpkin, steamed via the cucumber. If you like what I'm doing, visit me at johnsfoodanddrink.com. Thank you.